If you're working in After Effects and you want to see a rule of thirds grid, there's an easy way to make this happen. So under your composition, you'll see this little button here. If you click that, you'll see something called proportional grid. If you click that, this will come up, and it's a useful grid, but it's not rule of thirds, and I like to use the rule of thirds more than this. This is too many crosshairs, too many lines. I believe it's a 5x5, and I want a 3x3. So how do I change this so that going forward, it'll always show me my rule of thirds grid? Well, it's really easy to do. You're going to go to your edit menu, go down to preferences, and then under preferences, go to grids and guides. Here you'll get this pop-up, and under the proportional grid section, we're going to change horizontal to 3 and vertical to 3. You can also change the color of the grid. So if you feel like doing that, you can play around all you want, but I'm going to leave it as is right now. So I'm going to hit OK. And there we go. My proportional grid is now a rule of thirds grid, and I can work and use this to determine my layouts and whatnot. And it won't be rendered with my final render, so I don't have to worry about that or anything. And if I want to turn it off, I can always hit this little button again, select proportional grid again, and there it goes. It is no longer on my screen. And then when I want it back, boom. Easy as pie. So if you found this useful, give me a like. Check out my playlist in After Effects for more like this, and thank you for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.